Hey everybody, this is John Barton from JB Cases. This is our weekly showcase for the week of Tuesday, August 23rd, 2022. So let's jump right into it. So first case I see here is a 2x3 purple with a crown, kind of a crown thing going on here, and then it says Queen embroidered on there, and then pretty cool, it says Kimbo Slice. You guys remember Kimbo Slice? He was the street brawler who went on to star in the UFC, the Ultimate Fighting Championships. There you go. I think his real name was Kevin, if I remember right. I'm not sure, but that's kind of unusual to have a Kimbo Slice on there. That's pretty cool. I wonder if there's any relation there, but regardless, we are very happy that our case was chosen to honor, I imagine honor, the name of a warrior with a great heart. At least that's how I like to think of him. He's always seemed like a pretty level-headed guy. Just really like to fight. All right, this is 2x5, 3x4 in black and gray. This has gray piping and gray stitching. Says on the back here, Powell. And you guys can see some of the stitching on here if I hold it up closer. Now, this one is, as I said, probably 2 butts, 5 shafts, or 3 butts and 4 shafts, so you can put a butt in the center right there. So, very cool case. Alright, the next one I have here is a 4x8 Asian Zing style, with double pockets. Look at that. It's got a double layer of pockets on the bottom there, on the bottom pocket. This is the blue silk brocade, blue and gold, combined with kind of a tan gold color rugged material. Got an extra ring back here for the in case somebody wants to use a center strap, and we have a taller lid. And inside the taller lid, we have a compartment for stuff, for more stuff. So an extra little lid compartment there. Very nice. Oh, did I show you guys the interior? I think I did, right? Yeah, blue interior. 4 butts, 8 shafts. All right, moving on. I have here a 3x6 black and neon green, safety green with the JB Cases logo right there. Does that look pretty cool? This one also has a taller lid with backpack straps. And let's see, do we have a ball holder or another compartment? And there you go. Another little compartment for holding stuff. Pretty cool. All right, moving on here. I've got 3x6 gray and red. It says Teal on here, so you guys can see that a little closer. With a single strap on the back, taller lid, red zipper pulls, red stitching, and a red interior with a ball holder in the lid. There you go. This one also has larger pockets. See, this is an 18-inch pocket, this is an 8-inch pocket, and you'll see that both pockets are taller. They're about 2 inches. So a lot more capacity inside those pockets. All right, the next one I have here is a 2x3, all in teal. This is what we would call our basic model, which is no top handle and no third pocket. You can see there, very pretty. And then let's see what this has got. This has got a single strap with a light blue interior. There you go. Oh, that's interesting. So, okay, if I put it there, you guys can see it. Cool. Before I had the camera like right up into the light, and now I've got the light kind of away from the camera a little bit, so when I put it up here, if I come closer, it gets darker, obviously, because the light is out here. So interesting. Just trying some new setups, see how it goes. All right, the next one I have here is this is a pink case with some pink and blue with looks like some kind of anime character on there. I'm sure my daughter knows who that is. I want to say probably Sailor Moon maybe or something like that for Marie. Look how nice the color is on there with the Marie on there with that. It's just so pretty. That teal color, that kind of a light blue, baby blue color, powder blue, I guess. This has backpack straps. Here, take a look. Isn't that neat? So let's see what color interior we have. We have a taller lid, by the way, with a extra compartment in the lid here. So magnet, and then that is supported like that. You can put some small stuff in there, and a light blue interior. There you go, 2x3. All right, the next one I have here, this one is a 2x5, 3x4, black and blue. This one says for Honky Tonk Hero, pretty cool. And then we have like a, not sure what that symbol is right there, but then looks like Yosemite Sam. And it says the cream in the back, blue shoulder pads. And this one also has a taller lid, so what are we going to find? Are we going to find a ball holder or, yep, we got a ball holder in the lid, and there you go. 2 butts, 5 shafts, 3 butts, 4 shafts. Okay, and that'll do it for today. So thank you guys very much for hanging out with us, and remember, if you don't want to build it yourself, give us a shot at jbcases.com. We'll be happy to build you a more protective case, a case that is true custom. You know, we have the broadest range of options of all custom case companies out there that I know of. We will also make sure that the case has true protection, true durability, okay, true custom, true comfort, very important. Cases will fit in your hands. They won't cut into your hands. They won't cut into your shoulders. So we pay attention to the ergonomics, and we back everything up with a lifetime warranty. So as long as you use your case normally, it should give you a lifetime of great service. But if we do happen to screw up some way, you know, we could have a bad sewing day one day, then you don't have to worry about it, because you'll be covered against any of our mistakes in the construction of the case. And we don't give you any shit about it, you know. Just don't come back and show us a case that looks like it's been used and abused for a lot more than what normal use is. And we have you covered. So you guys can look out there. You can see plenty of stories of people who have had to make use of their warranty. In most cases, in every case, if there's something that was wrong that could have been made better just as a matter of practice, we've gone in, and the very next cases that we've made made the change, we've made it stronger, we've incorporated it so that problem is unlikely to ever happen again. And that's the way it's played out, and that's the way it's going to continue to be as long as we're in business. So if you give us a shot, even though you know, you might not like the wait. Right now it's approximately 3 to 4 months. If you don't like the wait, then, you know, there's a lot of case makers out there that are building decent products. There's a lot of brands out there that are halfway decent, and you know, you can get those immediately. But if you don't mind waiting and you want what I consider to be the best in the business on many aspects, you know, there's many facets to making a case that is protective for your cues, as well as being comfortable, being durable, and being highly customizable, then you might want to consider JV cases. So I know that most of you watching this have probably already know all these things, but this is my way to connect to you, so I repeat it. All right. Anyway, you guys have a good one, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye-bye.